The Schunk company produces robot grippers. Demand for automation is enormous, but so are the potential costs. A new study by Ingbank says automation will cost Germany up to 18 million jobs over the next 20 years, replacing 1 out of every 2 workers with robots. It's becoming clear that this industrial revolution is quite unlike the old one. I'm afraid that in the end it's going to destroy more jobs than it creates. Germany is already a global leader when it comes to the number of industrial robots in operation. Only South Korea and Japan have more automated production than Germany. The Schunk company is already working on the next generation of industrial robots. The machines are meant to increase productivity, of course, but they're not intended to replace people. Intelligent robots are designed to work independently, side by side with their human counterparts.
Thanks
to the cooperation between humans and machines, jobs that would normally leave the country will stay in Germany, and that's a good thing. Robotic assistants will end up saving jobs. One way or another, automation is here to stay. Whether it will cost jobs or create them remains to be seen.